Do you want to know how to make gingerbread reindeer? Let's find out. Add cold cube butter into the flour. Squish the butter into the flour. This is called rubbing in. Keep squishing. Add bicarbonate of soda. This will make them nice and soft. Now add the ginger. Mix spice, cinnamon. Now ground cloves. Dip in the sugar. Give it a stir. Add the treacle and the golden syrup. Grate in some orange zest. Add an egg and some cream. Give it a good stir. Use your hands to make a bowl. Wrap in clingfilm and pop in the fridge. Roll out the dough. Use a gingerbread man cutter. Bake in the oven. Ask an adult to help. Now you can decorate the reindeer. Happy Christmas!